Okay, I'm looking here at this TextBlast, and you have the view right here. So these are the recipients that you're sending it to, and here the error is saying the view name you entered does not exist on seller leads. So you're sending it to seller leads right here, and this view test sep does not exist. So when you go to seller leads to create a view, you go to the filter right here, and then you create a view. Excuse me. So usually what I do is when I import it, I want to put a tag. I want to put a tag in here. So when you import the agents that you want to be recipients, you want to put test sep into this right here. So we did like test right here on some tags, but we didn't do any of those. So let's see. Okay, here's where if you go to this wrench here, you can do Excel import. And then when you go to the Excel import, you can do this field mapping stuff. And in your fields, you want to have a field called tag, a column called tag, probably at the end, and it'll say test sep, TEST SEPT. And then down here, where you've got tags, you want to match it to be that tags field. So when you insert it, then you can go back here, and on tags you can say test sep, which there's going to be no results in this particular case. But there is one for this, for this test here. So let's see, where are some other ones? Okay, there's some for Ryan right there. And then see this unsaved view? You can save this as, and you'll create a new view, and you'll type it in as like test sep, like that, and save it. And it has to be exactly like this, case sensitive and everything. So when you go back to the TextBlast configuration, this name has to match that view, because right now there's no view that's shown as test sep. So you'll see it on the left hand side. These are all your these are all your views. So you've got new, you've got test, you've got Vumber compare, book 1, TextBlast test. So if I changed this to TextBlast test, exactly how this is spelled, it will work. August 18th, 18 AUG 10. If you put that in, that exact, then this TextBlast will work. So see, that will work. And if I say send TextBlast now, did I not name that right? TextBlast test. Oh, yeah, I didn't even spell that right. TextBlast test. So now that matches, I can say send TextBlast now, or I can schedule it on the date. See? Now it's queued. Blast is queued. So you need to change this to, what did you have that called before? Text sept. Whatever you name the view.